Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Corpus luteum maintenance.
Luteum. Corpus luteum will maintain, actually, luteinizing hormone will maintain the corpus luteum in a non-pregnant female, whereas human chorionic gonadotropin will maintain the corpus luteum in a pregnant female. The lifespan of corpus luteum in a non-pregnant female is around 10 to 12 days, and the lifespan of corpus luteum in a pregnant woman is 10 to 12 weeks. Human chorionic gonadotropin will protect the corpus luteum from undergoing luteolysis.
thank you and thank you for watching.